morning. It's Alane here. We have landed in Gay Puppy, and this is the morning view of the business class. I'm going to show you a little bit. A little worse for wear, let me tell you. But it's been a weird but good flight. There's the footrest. There's the bag in which my pillow is. Little Tupperware because I brought some peaches from home for my morning snack. We arrived 45 minutes early. And did I show you this in the earlier video? This is the amenities kit. I'm going to actually go pee and you can see the things. There's the television. Oh, I wanted to tell you that I've been listening to Buddha Bar, Zen by Buddha Bar. And I want to show you that on the screen here. Pretty high-tech screen. I've always appreciated Buddha Bar. It's very beautiful music, very soothing. So, also I wanted to tell you that it comes here in business.